IPL is the most favorite for fan from 2008. IPL has seen more records of highest totals or more title wins over the years and might have consecutive wins in the IPL, but we extracted some unique records in the IPL through various articles. So let's start and know about all the 19 unique records in the IPL history. The legend fast bowler and Yorker master bowling lead Lasith Malinga bowled the most number of wides in the IPL. Lasith Malinga gave 124 free runs to opponent teams in his IPL career by delivering a wide delivery. Most runs scored in an over falls on the 18th place. Both bowlers has conceded 37 runs in an over. Firstly, the record was held by Chris Gayle against Kochi Tuskers Kerala in 2011. Gayle scored 6 in the first ball and 6 in the second ball with the no ball and 2 consecutive fours and 2 consecutive sixes, and the over ended with a 4. And in 2021, Ravindra Jadeja bashed the 37 runs against RCB's bowler Harshal Patel, conceded the 37 runs in a 1 over. Suresh Raina played 134 consecutive matches without taking a break, and he broke his streak by missing out the 2019 IPL and second most, followed by Rohit Sharma. Most ducks in IPL history is on the 16th place. Getting out for a duck is the most embarrassing moment for a player, and Harbhajan Singh, the tailender of the batting department, has been out for a duck 13 times from 90 innings. David Warner, the left-hander Aussies opener, is the only batsman to have 50 plus half centuries in the IPL history, as the SRH main player has been strengthened team's total 52 times, as he scored 52 50s in his overall IPL career. Kings 11 Punjab has not been found one captain. They changed 11 captains in their IPL history, and now currently KL Rahul is leading the team, and under George Bailey they reached the final in 2014 and they lost to KKR by 3 wickets. Representing one of the IPL team in the young age is a big thing for players, and Prayas Burman became one of the youngest ever to make IPL debut. He was aged 16 years 157 days and he surpassed Afghanistan's Mujib-ur-Rahman, who made his debut at the age of 17 years 11 days. The West Indian all-rounder Dwayne Bravo picked 32 wickets in a single edition of IPL. He seized 32 wickets in the 2013 IPL, and he is followed by Kagiso Rabada in the second position. Taking a wicket in a row is an esteemed moment for a bowler, and Amit Mishra has taken hat-trick thrice. He picked his first one against Deccan Chargers in 2008 when he was playing for Delhi Daredevils, and in 2009 he played for Deccan Chargers and he grabbed against Punjab, and in 2013 he took another hat-trick against Pune Warriors India when he was playing for SRH. Pacing up the ball to get batsman out is one thing, but Delhi Capitals pacer Nortje broke all the previous fastest bowled records, as he bowled at a speed of 166.22 in an IPL against Rajasthan Royals in Dubai in IPL 2020. Winning a orange cap with huge runs is a prestigious moment for any batsman, but wearing it for the first time in the IPL was done by New Zealand batter Brendan McCullum. Chennai Super Kings is the only team to play with one captain throughout their IPL journey. They maintained MSD as their main captain, and in absence of MSD, Suresh Raina also led the Super Kings. RCB never misses out to entertain the people in stadium or who are watching from the home, but they holds the highest total of 263 for 5 against Pune Warriors India in 2013, and they hold their lowest total in the IPL too. RCB was bowled out for 49 by KKR in 27th match in the 2017 edition of IPL. To take part for playing one franchisee in the most matches by overseas players has been done by 2 players, South African wicketkeeper batsman AB de Villiers and Caribbean all-rounder Kieron Pollard has played 100 plus matches for a single franchisee. Playing a first match in the IPL and 500th milestone match in IPL is a big moment for a team and a player, but coincidentally Indian left-arm pacer Zahir Khan has been on field in both the instances. Zach has played first match in RCB and he played 500th match against RR in 2015 under JP Duminis captaincy. Making a batsman to defense and a dot ball is the big thing in the bowling department. Indian Turbonator and current KKR bowler holds the most dot balls in the IPL history. Overall, Budgie bowled 569.2 overs from 163 matches, in which he has 1268 dot balls. Bowling no ball in a match is a sharp presence of the bowler. But here Piyush Chawla, right arm leg break bowler, bowled 386 overs without stepping his feet out of the crease, and he bowled the first no ball of his career in IPL against Delhi Daredevils in 2016 while he was playing for KKR. Most runs conceded by a bowler in an IPL innings is Basil Thampi in 17th match at Chinnaswamy Stadium. SRH bowler Thampi took 70 runs blow from RCB batsman and he went no wicket in the match. Most valuable player. The award was firstly known as Man of the Tournament award, and in 2013 IPL introduced most valuable player rating, and from 2008 Sachin Tendulkar won the MVP for 618 runs in 2010, and RCB skipper Virat Kohli in 2016 for 973 runs with 356.5 MVP points, which is the fourth most points in the IPL history. Only two Indian players to do this. So here is the another record. Rishabh Pant, who was appointed as Delhi Capitals captain in 2021 edition of IPL, he was the fifth youngest player to lead the team. To get all the updates of the stats in Indian cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, आएंगे हम वापस।